Samsung make this true. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will going to have a new display compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and it is true that we will going to see a different aspect ratio on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 display. Surprise is both inner and outer display will going to have a slightly better aspect ratio. Samsung is planning to launch Galaxy Z Fold 3 in August. Although chip shortages all over the world and other companies are dropping the idea of using Snapdragon 1 Plus and thinking of going with Dimensity 9000 or Snapdragon 1. But Samsung will go with Snapdragon 1 Plus, and yes, Samsung thinks about putting S Pen in Galaxy Z Fold 4 but dropped the idea. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, do you like the new aspect ratio on the Galaxy Z Fold 4? According to the IC Universe, we are going to get new aspect ratio in the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and both inner and cover display will going to have a new slightly better displays, where he says inner display will going to have 6:5 instead of 5:4 in Galaxy Z Fold 3. Cover display will going to have 23:9 instead of 24:5:9. Now in figures, these changes may not seem too big, but these are noticeable changes, since IC Universe uploaded the picture for both cover display and inner display. Now in his posted picture, we can see clearly a slightly smaller and more square shape on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 inner display, and this is what we were talking about before, that Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be smaller and lighter compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now with the outer display, you have to pay close attention because the difference is very minimal. And if you pay close attention, you can see the hinge of Galaxy Z Fold 4 is very small compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and this gives Samsung a chance to change the aspect ratio on the cover display without increasing the size of Galaxy Z Fold 4. This will indicate that we are going to see the new single hinge design in the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. And I think with this new single hinge design, Samsung may not have enough space to put S Pen in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, since Samsung was ready to put S Pen in the hinge but dropped the idea due to the lack of space. Because if they put S Pen other than hinge, then they need to compromise on battery, which people don't want it. Bad news for the people who wanted a bigger battery in the Galaxy Z Fold 4, since IC Universe also confirms the battery and it is same 4400 mAh battery, just like Galaxy Z Fold 3 but with a better optimization. And Z Fold 4 is going to come with the UFS 4.0, which will be twice more powerful than the UFS 3.1, can give you speed up to 23.2 gigabit per second. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below, did you like the new aspect ratio in the Galaxy Z Fold 4? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.